Hi everybody, welcome to the Art Club Online. This is Michelle. I'm here today to teach you a simple way to draw a pangolin. And if you've never heard of a pangolin, well, today you're in luck because I'm going to show you one of the coolest animals that I've seen recently. I mean, I haven't seen one in person, but I saw this beautiful creature online. These creatures, they're the only mammal that has scales. And I just think they're so adorable. There's all different kinds of them. And the coolest part about them is that they walk on their back legs, kind of like a little T-Rex or something. So today we're going to draw one. Grab a pencil and let's get started. All right, so I tried to come up with a simple way to do this. So I started with kind of the letter C. So this is going to be like pretty much the whole body and the tail. So just do a large letter C. And then you can pause the video if I go too fast here, but I'm going to do like a little bump for the head. And then I go up a little for the nose. And then straight from the nose, I go pretty much straight back to where the neck is. Then from there, I'm going to go down and around, up a bit, and then do some spiky claws. Kind of like this. And for the rest of the, what looks like an arm, I guess I'm going to do a bit of the bumps across the bottom because that's where the scales are going to be. Now, they kind of have like a human ear, so a letter C with a little C inside, and then a line for where the head is. And right here, I do a cute little oval eye with a little shine spot inside of it that we don't color in. Like that. Aww. Now from here, right about here in the armpit, I'm going to draw a line that goes straight back and straight down. Just a kind of a curved line there. And do a little foot. Like this. And now we go up with the rest of the leg. And from here, you just continue down and around and do a little rounded tip of the tail. Okay, so now pangolins have these really specific shaped scales that kind of look like artichoke leaves, or they look kind of like a pine cone. And if you want to do them really perfect, then that's great. But I just thought, I'm just gonna do some squiggle lines this time, just to make it a little bit easier, quicker, and I still think it looks pretty cool. And I'm drawing them kind of messy with my pencil. I'm going to trace over this after with my pen. If you're familiar with the art club, then you know that I often say to begin with a pencil. It just erases a lot of frustration. Pun not intended. Okay, so I'm going to do these ziggy-zag squiggle lines all the way down the tail, but I'm going to do the rest with my ink pen. So here we go. Let's trace it over. All the way down the tail, like that. So now I'm just going to pass my eraser over top to erase all that pencil. And there he is. I think I'm going to add some color to him too. I'm, of course, going to be using my alcohol markers, which are my new favorite. If you want to check out an episode on how I use these, then you can click up in the right-hand corner here. So I'm just coloring over with a light yellow. And with Copic markers or with alcohol markers, the coolest thing is that we can blend them together and make new colors. So I cover it over with a bit of a purplish, but then when I go over that with yellow, it makes brown magically. So I'm just adding some shadows. Like this. Add a little bit more shading in here. Just makes it a little bit more 3D looking. And down the tail too, I think. And that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is a pangolin, and you should really definitely check them out more. They're very interesting animals. So thanks for watching, and you can subscribe to the Art Club for more videos like this one. I'll see you next time.